Oh, damn. We got an accident this early in the morning. Hmm. Damn. Let me go see here. All right. Damn. Early in the morning, 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. God damn, boy. Trucks getting hit. Everybody getting fucked up out here, y'all. This Naked Rider Joe back at it again. That's what I'm saying, man. You gotta wear some protection out here, brother. You know what I'm saying? If you out here with slanging and banging with no protection on, you wouldn't do that stuff in Bangkok, would you? Well, why would you do it out here in the streets, man? Hey guys, appreciate you guys checking in on the channel. Hopefully you guys having a great day, a much better day than those dudes are having. You know, those things happen though. I'm Naked Rider Joe. I ride a Suzuki GSX-8S every day on my way to work. And today, what I want to talk about as I get up to highway speed, there we go. There we go. Oh man, now I'm at it. You know what I mean? You gotta get up to speed out here. You gotta get up to speed. Who's that behind me though? Alright. Let you do your thing, man. Alright. Yeah, I'll let you do your thing, Mr. Tesla. Gotta watch out for homeboy, man. Alright. How about the speed? We're all good now. We can go around cruising for a bit. Hey, just want to talk about real quick about recommend some shows to watch. It's crazy out there in the world right now. A lot of bad news, no matter which country you're at, I mean, or what your readings are. So I highly recommend you guys take some time off and fucking zone out for a bit, chill out, get your lady over, watch a little TV, all that kind of good stuff. All right, I got some recommendations. And definitely, if you can, watch some anime, man. I know what you guys are thinking, like, anime? That is fucking for kids, man. It's cartoons. No. We don't call it cartoons, you know. We call it anime because it's all fancy. It's much fancier than regular cartoons. So, highly recommend checking out that anime, man. There's a couple ones I want to bring up. First one is Sakamoto Days. That was on Netflix and they're on season number 2. Dang, motherfucker just hitting the brakes and shit, no reason. It's crazy out here. People go crazy in the fog is what it is, guys. Like, whenever the weather starts to change and you get like a whole new pattern, people just kind of freak out. Be it like fog, be it cold, be it rain, be it, you know, really anything that's different. They kind of freak out over, and people just, you know, they just panic is what they do. I don't know what it is, but you would think like, hey, you going to the same place you were going to before. It's just a little bit of lower visibility. Take your time. But nah, man, they can't be doing that, man. They're like, fuck all that. We going that crazy out here. So that's what's going on. All right. But your boy, he's all safe, by the way. I got my motorcycle pants on, my jacket on, my gloves, and everything. I'm all good, man. So, and obviously, I'm pretty awake and really paying attention to what's going on out here. But anyway, enough about that. Sakamoto Days. Yeah, it's actually really good. It's on Netflix. They're on season number 2. First of all, I kind of skipped that one. I thought like, oh man, I was gonna be about some bullshit. But it isn't actually. It's actually really good. Stories about this guy. He's a hitman. He's one of the most successful in the world. He quits. He meets a girl, falls in love, starts having a family, and quits being a hitman. Opens up a grocery store, and everything's all good for probably like 5 to 6 years. And then eventually, some of his old hitman people that come after him, and all kind of mayhem ensues. But it's really good. Reminds me a lot of really like a superhero cartoon, but instead of them wearing capes, they're like assassins, and they just go around like fucking each other up, fucking up the environment, and doing all kind of crazy stuff. So I would recommend that if you haven't checked it out. The other one is that came out early, I think last year or late last year, but I didn't get around to watching it until recently. It's that Delicious Dungeon. That one's pretty good too. I thought it was gonna be about some bullshit like cooking things. I was like, man, I ain't watching no fucking cooking. You know, I was just by fight. But it's actually really good. They go inside this dungeon and they run out of food, so you gotta start eating those monsters. Motherfuckers just hooking up and eating monsters and shit, man. So it's actually a pretty good show. It's a lot of callbacks to Dungeons and Dragons, World of Warcraft, all that kind of stuff on there. I would recommend that one on Netflix also. Another one I recommend is a newer one, the Lord of Mysteries. That was on Crunchyroll. That's the only place you can get it. Crunchyroll is a shitty app. I mean, it's a shitty channel, but they got some kind of exclusive with all the different anime. So it's one of those pieces. But really, you gotta go and if you want to check out some anime, you gotta go through that Crunchyroll. All right, there you go. I'm gonna get away from fucking people. All good. So Lord of Mysteries, it's about a guy who dies and then he wakes up, and it's kind of like this environment that's like Europe, like but back in the Jack the Ripper days, those kind of things, where back before they had electricity, all that stuff, they used steam as power. And the guy's over there, and it turns out like people are taking these potions and they gaining special abilities. And there's some people using those abilities for good, some use it for bad. And your basic goal, well, a lot of people are, they're trying to be a god is what they are. So motherfuckers are wilding out. So they do all these things, but to be a god, there's other people that's trying to stop them. There's other people that's like, not trying to stop them from being a god, but from killing other people. That's really what they're trying to do. So that's pretty much what the story, it reminds me of H.P. Lovecraft, you know, with that horror kind of terror, science fiction kind of vibe. I do recommend that one also too. It's very interesting, very good storyline, and overall it's a really good piece to it, is what it is. Oh man. Yeah, now we're rolling good, man. Now we got away from those yahoos, man, back there. I know what the hell that was all about and everything. And again, it's just that fog, babe. You know, it's just a bit of something. Speaking of H.P. Lovecraft, man, maybe I'm in that fucking Lord of Mysteries bullshit, you know? Motherfuckers out here committing fucking murders and shit over this goddamn thing. But, nah, there's just a few places I say, shows to check them out. If you ever get a chance to, I recommend them on there. They're highly entertaining, a lot of fun, and it's overall a good watch. Stay away from the serious stuff if you can, because there's a lot of bad news out there. But hey guys, I'll let you guys go. Still got a lot of traffic out here. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other good shows you think that are out that you highly recommend checking out. Something that's fun, lighthearted, and that can get you away from things. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.